In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a card in a Hostinger website. We'll go through the process from opening your Hostinger account all the way to placing a card on a specific page and customizing it so it fits your site properly. This is a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how your content is presented. Cards are useful for highlighting services, products, features, team members, or any important section you want visitors to notice. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct website area, especially if you manage more than one site. This helps avoid editing the wrong project by mistake. From the dashboard, click on Websites. This will take you to the section where your hosted websites are listed and managed. Find the website you want to update, then click Edit Website. This opens the website editor, where you can make visual changes directly to your pages without needing any coding. After the editor loads, look for the Elements section. This is where Hostinger keeps the different content blocks and design tools you can add to your website. Inside Elements, find the card option. Once you see it, click it, then drag and drop it onto the specific page area where you want it to appear. As you place the card, pay attention to its position on the page. You'll want to make sure it fits naturally with the surrounding content and doesn't feel crowded or misplaced. If needed, adjust its position until the layout looks balanced and clean. A well-placed card can improve both readability and visual appeal. Once the card is in the right spot, click Edit Card. This is where you can customize it to match your website's style and purpose. Feel free to update the content, refine the design, and make changes that help the card communicate clearly. As you customize it, try to keep the look consistent with the rest of your site so everything feels professional and unified. Take your time during this part, because even small design choices can affect how visitors respond to the page. Clean spacing, clear text, and a strong visual structure usually work best. And that's it. Once you've added your card, adjusted its position, and customized it, your Hostinger website will have a more polished and organized section ready for visitors to explore.